Today is our first inspection of Hive A.
Smoke the entrance. And then lift up the lid. Smoke the lid. Give that a second to work. Well, they ate it all. So we'll have to look at giving them some more. Oh wow, look what they've done. So yeah, we are gonna have to add.
Oh my god.
All right.
Ooh, some danglers. That's so cool.
I see a queen. But she wouldn't be out here because
There's not as many.
yeah,
They haven't even done anything on that one yet.
we purpleized it, stuck it together.
Oh my gosh, they built this one out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow.
This is a brand new one. That's so thick.
So you can see what's interesting, I think, is that you can see that I didn't add as much wax to this frame as I did those frames over there. So it's taking them longer to draw it out. But now these guys here are either eating or they're putting it in. I'm not sure which. No, it's full of nectar. Look, it's full of nectar.
Oh my gosh.
See the liquid?
How
That's
did
nectar. Yep, they're full of nectar. Well, that
they're eating
is
it then.
awesome. I'm not sure if they're eating it or they're putting it in, but yeah.
That's amazing.
That's
I love how it's like drips. Like,
That's so cool. All right. So this one over here. This is the one that we got. So I'm gonna expect that she's gonna be on one of these. My guess is this one because that's where they all are gathered. That's heavy. Holy moly. It's
yeah.
heavy.
They're all on that one. Oh my goodness, look at that.
So these are drone cups here. So they're making some boys. See how they're raised up?
Yeah.
Those are drone cups. And these are capped brood. And here's some, what's happening over here? She got stuck in some honey. That's honey up here in the corner. Which is exactly what we want to see, right? We want to see the babies in the middle. We want to see, oh look, they're building down. That's weird. I don't see a queen, but oh, there she is. She's right there.
No way.
Yep, she's right there. Look at her. There she is. There's the queen. That's her.
Yeah, she is so much longer. She's like 4
That is
compartments
definitely
under her.
her. We found her.
And she would be on the one with the brood too, right?
Yep. I see her lay an egg. That'd be cool. That is definitely her. I can't believe we found the queen. We found her.
It was easier to find her than the one on Hive B. Oh, she might. It sounds like precious bird.
I know, like I'm afraid.
The royal frame.
Come on, guys. Ooh. Wow, we found her. I'm gonna pull out one more.
Oh my gosh.
This is capped brood, I think. I don't love that they're doing that. I think I'm supposed to remove that. But I feel bad. It looks like they're building swarm cells. So, I think so. I think we're gonna take this up the bottom.
Ooh, we can eat that. Doesn't look as ready.
We don't want them to do that. What you can do is you can put that in the hive and let them use it to build somewhere else.
Good idea to put it in between the one that has none.
All right. Well, we did good. We found the queen. She looks good. Now we gotta put some bee space back here. Scoop you guys. Come on. Scoop.
It's so cool to see the honey at the top of the frame.
Is it stuck, the wax?
Yes. Yep. We're
There's a
in.
bunch on the side of the wall over there too.
Okay. So we're gonna put the top back on here. They seem to be enjoying the feed, so I'm gonna put the feed on.
Sugar water?
Yeah. I wasn't going to, but I would say by next week we'll be putting more frames on. I thought we would be doing it today. Okay. We did it. I'd say we did pretty good. I wish they were a little bit more built out on the sides, but I can't believe we found her.
Yeah, that's good.
Join us next time for our first inspection of Hive C.